Hello friends, we are on to the question number 30 of our assignment. So let us check what is question number 30. Now it is also output. What will be the output of this? I will paste it for you. Okay, so what will be the output? Friends, do it manually first. I have taken a list called points in which 3 elements are there as sublist. Now I have to sort them. So what will be the sorting? Are the whole list sorted or something else will be done? So let us open the software for using Python ideally. Let me open it. Okay, yes. Now what we have to do, we just have to paste the program here. Now points.sort is used to sort the elements. So I will save the sorting. It is already there, so no sorting. So are they sorted? Just look at them. Yes, the elements which are first will be first, then these are there, then these are there, these are also sorted because 0.5 and 0.5 are the minimum values that we can have. 125, right? Now 1.5 is smaller than 2 and it is in ascending order. So all the elements within themselves and the others within the list are sorted. So friends, it has sorted in the ascending order. So sorting is done in ascending order, right? Okay, I have put it dollar, that's why it is not a comment. Comment is from. So what is the output? This is the output, so we will write it in our answer sheet. Very good. I hope you have understood so many things. Now come to question number 31. Okay, what will be the output? Oh, you will be, friends, you have just seen that there are so many output questions I have put in front of you. Yes, so that your coding will be good. So what is the output? Let me paste it here first. Okay. Now here is a list A, here is a list B. Now B is equal to list A. Now A at 3 and 0 means 3 and 0 index is equal to 95. It is 134. What will the value of B? It means the value of B is already changes. Now 0, 1, 2, 3 means the value of 178 is now 915. And A1 123 is 134. So according to me the answer is 101, 134, 561 and this 915. So let us check for the Thorny. Let me just copy it and paste it for you in Thorny. Answer check. Now you can for you. Look, what I told you, the answer will be 101, 123 and 561. Now this value is not changed. A of 1 is 134, but it is not changed because I have to write if I will write 0 here, then see what will happen. Okay, we have to explore our programming. This is an error because this is not a type. So A of 1 is 134 is not initialized as this value is initialized, right? So your answer will be yes. Let us look at my answer book. Right? So the answer will be yes. Now next question I will take. What is the output of the following code? We have discussed it already, but still we will discuss it again. What is the output of the following code? The output of the following code is that the value 9 is appended at the last value. So in my senses, its answer will be 2 times 9 will be printed. In my senses, answer will be 2 times 9 will be printed. So I will write down directly without implementing it. We will implement it later on. So according to me, the answer is A. The answer is, the answer will be 9, comma 9, and process. I will remove comma from here. The value is this, right? Now coming back to the next question, because append does what? Append does 9 add to the empty list. This is 9. Here it will put 9. Then it will multiply 2 times. So 2 elements are there, 9 and 9. I think this is very much clear to all of you. Now coming back to the next question. What is the output of the following code? After that, we are going to revise whole assignment in one go. Right. So I have taken a list A, append this with 827, then extend this. Now in my census, answer will be 132, 526, 127, then 827 as it is, 425 and 627. So let us run this. Here I will save it. This is for you. Okay, you get the answer. What I told you is the answer. So friends, this is the short assignment which I have told you from the chapter. What is the chapter? I forgot the name of the. Chapter. The name of the chapter is list. Now the questions are over from my side. Okay, now let us discuss the whole assignment in one go. I will start with the first question until the answers are there. Okay, now my first question is, what is the difference between append and extend? Now append adds only one single element to the list at a time, and extend adds any number of elements in the list at a time. Now list, I have given the examples for append and extend both. Extend can have multiple items, whereas append can have only single item. Now how can we select a list from a list, select an element from a list with the help of the index numbers? This is the topic which we have studied as accessing the list. How can we determine the size of the list? The size of the list can be determined by using the length function. Length function is used to determine the size of an element. So friends, I think this is very much clear to you. So you must keep these things in mind. Right, now how can we concatenate two lists? Concatenation means a list is added at the end of the list and then the other. So it will be done using the plus operator or concat function. So we are using plus operator here. List 1 is 1, 2, 4. List 2 is 3, 4, 5. So Z is equal to list 1 plus list 2. List 2 plus list 1. Now print Z. Output is this. Now how can we sort elements of a list? We can sort elements of a list using the sort function. By default it is in ascending order. Okay, it is very important function that we can sort the number of elements which we have in different ways. So print Z. Now sorting will be done 1, 2, 3. If I want to do it, this is ascending order. Now what if I want to give in descending order? Now in descending order, what I can do, I can just move on to the I will write list dot sort in braces list on the name of the list, comma reverse is equal to true. So this is the thing for the descending order, right? Now how do we clone a list? Now friends, cloning a list means copying a list to the other list exactly. Now we can clone or copy a list using copy function. Old list is this, new list is this. Now print new list. Printing of the new list. Old list is 1, 2, 3, 4. New list is old list dot copy. So print list is new list. Output is this. Now what we have done, dot copy function copied the value. I have told you that the value flows from left to right, means sorry, right to left. So the values flow from right to left. Now print new list, and the output is 1 2 3 4. Right, so friends, I am very much clear about it. Now how can you intersect two list elements? Intersection means only two common elements items are taken. We have to use set function and intersection method. List 1 is equal to 1 2 3, list 2 is equal to 3 2 1. Now set, this is the new thing, s will be small here. Set list 1 dot intersection list 2, it will provide you intersection. Can we remove duplicates? Yes, we can remove duplicates. This is from the dictionary part, we will study from tomorrow. Now what is the output when we execute list hello? Now what is the output when we list? Now friends, in this case, if you are having whole string, then each character of the string will become the element of the list. So all the characters of hello will become the elements of a list. Suppose list example is this. What is the length? The length is 5. Because elements are counted 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose list 1 is this. What is list minus 1? Now friends, minus 1 is the biggest in negative indexing. So small to largest, small to largest. Remember, we have to move small to largest. So it will be all the smallest number. So it will be that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It means minus 1 to minus 5. Minus 1 is excluded. So it will be 12, 323, 2322, 14, 25 is neglected. What is the output of the following code executed? Now friends, I told you, if the full string is given, then each individual act as a list. So Vidhi, Freya is a list, Mohawk is a list, M-O-H-A-K, Mahesh is a list, Vidhi is a list. So names will be minus 1, so answer will be minus. Next is, what is the output when following code is executed? So names to, that I will adjust it. It will be like that. So name 1, each name is consists of the character that are elements. Names 2 is equal to names 1, names 3 is equal to this, names 2 of 0 is Vishal, 3 of 1 is Jay. So we have updated the name and sum is 0. Now for any variable ls in all. Now friends, when it is given in, so it means in all these three lists it should be present. It is said that if ls of 0 means the value at the 0 index is Vishal, then increment sum by 2. So it is not, we will not increment. After it, if it is asked if it is j, then increment it by 5. It is not j also in all the list. So the answer will be 0, because sum will be printed at the end and the answer will be 0, because nothing is correct in that. So all the conditions will evaluate to false. So friends, this is now let me move to some important question. Okay, yes, remove function. Now remove function is used to remove the element as per the element given. Now next question. Okay, this is searching question that I have to search the maximum out of it. So the maximum will be 15. Index uska aa jana chahiye 3. So first what I have done, maximal is 0, index of max 0 for I in length function. Okay, what is the output when following code is executed? What will the output like this? All these questions you have to study. Okay, now let me study this kind of. This means the first x will be there. Now if it has been returned 4 like that, it means it is nested loop. The 4 is written within the 4. Means first the one time x statement will be executing, then inside y statements will be executing n number of times and it will be happening. So the answer will be first x value will be stable, then y value keeps on changing, then again after cycling the y, x value will be changed, then y value will be again repeating the number of times. So friends, you have to take care of these things while attempting these questions. Now next is sorting question. You can sort. So friends, we have discussed 33 questions of list manipulation. You can have a brief look at them and just study well. Okay, so I will be just keep waiting for the next video to come. We will be commencing with that dictionary part tomorrow. Thank you very much.